Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're talking about stock market investing for beginners. Once again, we're going to go over our $1,000,000 paper trading account so you can learn a little bit on how to trade on the Webull platform. And welcome to Full C Optics. Check. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. And as you can see, we're on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page. And I want to thank you for being here. And please share the videos because you know we like to help thousands, if not millions, of other people. And of course, I always point out the join button over here on the right hand side. That's how you become a member of the channel. You receive special messages under the community tab, and you also receive 1 or 2 videos during the month specifically for you as a member of the channel who hits the join button. And also on Wednesday night lives, you can join me on the live stream if you want to, and only members can chat on the Wednesday night lives, can only be in the chat room while everybody else can watch. So therefore, please join the Stop Struggling Now Nation. And once again, we're talking about paper trading today. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the screen and how we have been doing. So let's talk about it. It's only been June, July, August. So we're talking about approximately 2 months. And as you can see on the screen, we're $4,913 ahead. We're just, what is that, $87 short of $5,000 in the green. That's not bad, ladies and gentlemen, over 2 months, even though it is $1,000,000 portfolio. But the thing is, we're not using all million. We're only using roughly, well, the market value is 80 grand. So in essence, 900,000 is still left to utilize. And so what we're going to do today, and this is for everybody who may not be familiar with the Webull platform. This is how you're going to make a trade. And this is how simple it is, because even though it's on the weekend, we're going to make an investment in LRCX, Lamb Research, and of course, you know, we're buying only in 10 increments. Again, the quantity you can see here is 10, and we're putting in a limit price of 509, but I'm going to make it a market price. So tomorrow, when this opens up, then it will buy at any price that it opens at. That's for tomorrow, because on the weekend, it's Saturday and Sunday, the stock market is closed. Now, if you have Webull, then of course, we can talk about certain things such as 4 a.m. in the morning, pre-market opens 4 a.m. Eastern time. So therefore, you can start trading, buying, selling, doing stock options, anything like that at 4 a.m. Eastern time. And also, they close shop on Webull at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Robinhood closes at 6 p.m. and their pre-market hours start at 9 a.m. Eastern time instead of 4 a.m. So that just gives you an idea what you're looking for. So it's that simple. If you are a member of the SSN Nation and watching this video, you can see I'm trying to get back to where I don't want to cancel. So I'm trying to get back to certain areas. But I wanted to show you the stocks that we have, the original, some of the original investments. CMG positive 4 grand off of the 10 shares. That's how much it's moved. That's Chipotle. If you've been on the live streams, you know we've heard about you've heard about CMG before. Tesla, of course, again, the future. Amazon, you guys have heard about it. Nvidia, you know we're talking about the chip stocks. Now, the only thing it looks like we're missing here is I don't see any Facebook. We don't have any Facebook. Okay, well, we have to get some Facebook. That's been an error, quite frankly. And this is another stock that you may have to consider to add to your portfolio. So once again, we're going to put it on market, and we only want 10 shares. I mean, I probably should have done this like 100 shares, because then we'd be 10 times our money. We'd be up 50 grand instead of only 5, but it's all right. This is just giving you an idea so people can see how easy it is. Yes, I'm using paper trade, but this is how easy it would be to transact a trade normally during 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time. All right, so we have those 2 orders in, and just so you can get a little familiar, you can see it here, Facebook LRCX. It says it's working. You notice that's how simple it is. I don't do stock options and don't really understand how they work, so I'm not putting any money into that. But I just want to give you an idea and some choices to make when it comes to investing in the stock market. Remember, it's long term. And I want to show you something else. Look down here in the red. So we're ahead $4,900, utilizing 70, it's around, let's call it $75,000 worth of our 1 million. So when you start really looking at the numbers, that's a pretty good return on your $70,000 investment, and you're getting $5,000. Potentially your market value is worth 5 grand almost. That's not bad. All right, let me know what that percentage is down below. But again, it's only been 2 months, so this is real time. So some people may say, well, you can't make any money, or the invest in the stock market isn't a good thing. This just shows you right now, even with the present situation, we're still able to at least increase our value. Sure, we haven't withdrawn anything, let's say. We haven't taken any money out, so therefore we don't have a taxable event. But just think how easy it has been so far, and look at all these L's in the red. Neo's down, Blink's down, AMC's down, Charge Point's down. All of those are down, taking a big drag on our portfolio. But is it really a big drag if you're able to have $5,000 in potential profit on 70 grand? How many times does 7 go into 500, let's say? All right, that gives you the percentage, doesn't it? I think it does. All right, it's not bad, ladies and gentlemen, and this is 2 months. So this just gives you an idea. And so I want to keep it real and show you guys these are some of the stocks in the portfolio. And again, we can't buy over the counter, so can't add any over the counter stocks. I can add only Ethereum, which is by Grayscale, and Bitcoin, which is by Grayscale as well. But I can't actually really buy the crypto like you normally can on Robinhood and Webull. So again, that's all I wanted to do today, give you guys an update on the SSN Nation stock market portfolio, to give you an idea on how, in my opinion, how great we're doing in 2 months. It's very interesting. But that's it. And with all that said, please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here, so I'm trying to drop a few gems. And if you're not on the live streams, I suggest you get on there, because we have other people dropping gems, because you need your pen, pad, and paper on the live streams, because you never know what's going to be dropped. Again, I bring conversation. Anybody can talk in the chat rooms, and there are some gems that are being dropped in there, not by me, but by other members who have financial literacy. Financial freedom is going on in their lives, and they're helping people as well with the Stop Struggling Now motto. So please don't miss the live streams. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.